Hey everybody! Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you all about Walmart dropshipping, and I'm going to show you how to make it super easy to do when you get that full automation using Doba dropshipping. We'll jump right into it, and dropshipping on Walmart, that's how you win with your dropshipping business. It's really one of the best marketplaces to sell on. And we all know that Walmart is just massive, massive, massive in terms of branding, in terms of reach, in terms of customer base. It's really approaching Amazon closely for number one. It's definitely the number two biggest marketplace out there, and that means you need to be on it. You need to have your products on Walmart. You need to reach Walmart's customers, and it's really, really easy to integrate when you do it the right way. And all you need is great products, great suppliers, and you need to stay compliant with Walmart's policies. And a really popular strategy is to integrate Doba dropshipping with Walmart. They have a full automated and official integration, and it's going to allow for full automation of your products being dropshipped on the Walmart marketplace and full compliance as well. That's super important. We're always going to make sure that we're going to stay compliant with Walmart's policies. We're going to get that fast fulfillment from the USA with Doba. They have 90% of their products shipping from the United States, and there's so much more. I'll show you more as we go over the shoulder. There are definitely some pain points, though, when it comes to Walmart Marketplace. But there are things that you'll need to manage on Walmart. For example, you need reliable suppliers. Obviously, if you use Doba dropshipping, you have that taken care of. You need fast shipping. This is the most important thing, right? We can't have 20-day shipping from China, right? With Doba, sometimes you see 1, 2, 3-day domestic USA-based shipping. So you're going to be able to get those products to your customers quickly. It's going to lead to great reviews, repeat customers, and increased sales. You need accurate inventory. This is super important. We can't have our products showing out of stock on Walmart. They don't like that at all. So we're going to always have that inventory counter being up to date. We need competitive pricing, obviously, and most of all, like I said, you need to stay compliant with all rules, all regulations, all platform restrictions, to make sure that your Walmart account is always in good standing, because it's a really important marketplace for you as a seller. We want to make sure that we can sell on Walmart because, they have literally millions upon millions of your potential customers ready to buy at any time. So, integrating with Doba. The reason that this works so well is because Doba has an official integration with Walmart Marketplace. So, you know how, on Shopify you could integrate with Amazon, for example, on their official marketplace, right? You could sell on Amazon. This is the same thing. You'll be able to sell on Walmart. We'll be able to integrate our Doba account directly with Walmart, and it's going to allow us to source high-quality products, list them directly to our Walmart store in one click. This means on Walmart.com, when people search for a product, your product will show up there. You'll be able to keep pricing and inventory synced automatically, and because Doba uses Walmart's verified API connection, you'll always stay aligned with Walmart's requirements, restrictions. You'll always make sure your account is in good standing, and you won't need to do anything manually at all because this all happens through Doba. And there are tons and tons of reasons to use Doba. As I talk about their super fast shipping and their huge catalog and their great profit margins and all their great AI tools, this is just another reason why you want to be using Doba dropshipping. Official integration into Walmart. And you see the link directly below this video for Doba. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you more, and I'll show you exactly how this works. And I'll bring up over here Doba's Walmart integration page, and they are an official Walmart partner. I think that's something that is worth stressing a couple times. Being official means they have access to that Walmart API. And again, it's so important to stay compliant with Walmart. Not only are you going to have those easily sourced, trending, and high-selling products, you're going to be able to add them in one click, fully compliant with the Walmart integration here. And of course, you'll be able to find quality dropship products through Doba, and literally, there are so many products. You could add an infinite amount of products over here, and you could focus on one niche. You could focus on multiple niches. Of course, you're always going to have that fast shipping with those USA local shipping on 90% of the products here. Full drop shipping automation. It's going to save you tons and tons of manual work. We're talking about one click to get products listed, I should say. Great profit margins, great reliable suppliers, all that great stuff with Doba. And really even just take a quick look over here. all these different tools that Doba provides. They're way more than just a dropshipping partner. They're a full e-commerce partnership with you because they're giving you so much information over here. The AI picker, which is great. They have great AI tools, but this is all about the Walmart integration. Get your products from Doba directly into Walmart. All you need to do is click the Connect My Store Now button. I'm going to jump inside my account. I'll show you exactly how easy this is, but you see the link directly below this video. This is by far the #1 way to integrate with Walmart Marketplace for drop shipping. So I'm inside of my Doba account, and we come over here to stores, and we're going to go ahead and connect our store. And I already have my Shopify store over here. We're going to click Connect New Store. And you see all the different platforms that you can connect. We're going to come over to Walmart. Okay, we have our store name over here. I'll call this Walmart Store. We'll click Connect over here, and it's now logging us into Walmart, where we're simply going to give the permission for Doba AI to connect with Walmart. Really, really powerful here. It's going to include all of our drop shipping features, all of our fulfillment that we need, and of course, making sure that everything is in good standing and meets all the requirements. So really, really easy and powerful. You see, it's all set up. You don't need to do anything technical at all. You don't need to hire a developer or a coder. Doba makes it super, super easy. So we have our store, and we can come over here and take a look at our Walmart store settings. And these mimic the type of settings that you see on any of your store connections like Shopify. And we have the ability to automatically set initial pricing rules. So we could double our price for our selling price. We could triple it for our compare at price. We could always include shipping fee or not. I like including shipping fee in here. But basically, we have all these different rules that are kind of universal to our Walmart store. And it's really that simple when it comes to setting things up, because all we need to do is do that official integration here in the stores account, where we go to stores, we click Connect New Store, and you have your Walmart store. Literally, all you need to do is have your Walmart account just be logged in, and you'll be ready to connect it. So now that we have our store ready to go and connected over here in our Doba account, now we have access to, of course, the best part. Now we can go and search this massive dropshipping catalog where 90% of the products are coming directly from the United States. So we can come over here and you see all these different filters that are super, super important. For example, ship from the United States. And, we see 13,000 cat products, just cat products alone, coming from the United States. And really love using their sorting tools over here. This one's the most important right here, best sellers. Doba's literally going to tell us what is their best selling product. So for example, this cat litter box enclosure is a top seller in the cats category. See some leashes, some airplane approved cat carriers, some cages, some carpet protectors for cats. You see a pet door, you see cat leashes and harnesses and dog ramps, cat ramps, right? Cat toys, cat wheels, everything. And when you're interested in a product, you can literally just click on it and you see all of the product detail information. And Doba does a great job of always providing amazing quality imagery. And this is the type of images that are going to help your product sell when we bring it on over into Walmart. So let's say we want to go ahead and add this product into our Walmart store. Well, we've already connected our Walmart store to our account. And by the way, we can take a look over here. You see it's shipping directly from the United States, in this case, California. We can come over here and click List to Store. And because I have my Shopify store over here as well, I have to pick between which platform I'm listing. Do I want to go on Shopify or do I want to go on Walmart? Same process for either of them, where we're just clicking which platform or which marketplace we want to send this product to. So we'll click Walmart and click Continue. This is going to now bring us to the Edit Products page. And this is where we can literally use AI to make our life a lot easier. We're going to automatically create an AI optimized product title right over here. And I like this one. We'll go use that over here. Select our categories here, so we could look in pets. So I selected other cat supplies and I filled in all the other information here. It's key that we fill in all the info because that is what's required from Walmart. Now we'll go over to description and key features. It's going to bring over the product description and key features down here. And again, these are required with Walmart. You could use AI Optimizer if you want as well, if you want to recreate this. Then we have different variants over here. You see that these are different sizes. So we have different sizes in terms of that. And we can come over here and say 40 by 60. And this one is 50 by 80. And you see the prices that have been automatically set based on our rules. Here are our compare at prices. And again, we're including the shipping cost over here. We're going to go $19.99 and we'll go $24.99 just to make them, look a little bit nicer in terms of our typical psychological price point, so we have full control over that. We have the different images that are going to get sent over. You see each one per variant. That's how Walmart sets it up. And then we click list right here. Just like that, the product is being listed to the store. You see both of my variants over here. For my washable cat welcome doormat, we have our $19.99 price point, our $24.99 price point, depending on the size. You see that it is literally going to be listed inside of our Walmart, and it just takes a couple of minutes. Over here, you see everything, including our profit margin. We have a nice strong 30 to 35% over here. And when this is done, I'll bring over my Walmart shop and I'll show you that right there. Okay, and just like that, it's right over here. I'm inside of my Walmart Seller Center, and you see this exact product that was sent over. Here's that $19.99 variant over here, and if we click on it, I'll go and click Edit Item, so you can see all of the exact content was sent directly over. You see all of the info, of course, that AI title, the description, all of the images, and all that great stuff. All the different information has been populated here in terms of categories and images and sell-through price. Really, really easy. Available for us to go ahead and edit it any way that we want or publish it whenever we're ready, and we'll be live inside of our Walmart store. And really, it just comes down to finding great products inside of the Doba catalog. Again, 90% of these products ship from the United States. So you're going to have so many great options, and highly recommend you using the different filters over here. Of course, the different search terms and also the category search over here. Maybe you want to come right into the pet section over here and come over here and do the same type of thing. Let's go to best sellers and see, in this case over here, for dogs. And again, do this for any niche you want, any type of product that you want. Search through products, use the AI tools in Doba. It's really, really powerful. And as you see, just a couple clicks and you get your product right into your Walmart Seller Center, and then you'll be able to publish this product right into your Walmart store. So that was Doba's official Walmart integration. As you saw, super, super powerful. You're now going to have access to those millions upon millions of customers on Walmart.com, being able to literally buy your product and have everything fully automated with Doba Dropshipping. It's highly, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. Make sure you check them out. Connect your store now. Get your products on Walmart and start making a ton of money. If you have any questions whatsoever about Doba, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video.